I have explained you on why you should become an Amazon affiliate marketer in my previous lecture. Now I'm going to explain you how to get started with your Amazon affiliate marketing. To simplify it, here's a 4-step explained in a very simple way. First is you have to find a right product that you want to promote. While choosing the right product, make sure that the product have more than 20 reviews in average of 4 or above stars. Also, make sure you're choosing products which have good and attractive product page. The second thing is you need to build a site with Amazon affiliate product links. Make sure you're placing your affiliate links in your website. You have to get a special link that allows the marketers to reach the products who clicked your link, so that if they buy the product, you will get a commission. The last step is to maintain your Amazon affiliate account. It is always free of charge to join an Amazon affiliate account, but make sure you're maintaining the account properly when it comes to Amazon affiliate marketing. I believe you got some ideas on how to get started with Amazon affiliate marketing. I'll be explaining everything in a practical way in my upcoming lectures.